Hey guys, I thought today maybe we can take a little break and talk about how recent events in the world can impact your YouTube channel. I have been thinking twice or three times on whether I should do this video or not. In fact, I wrote an entire script only to have it deleted because I feel that it is quite irrelevant to the videos I usually produce. But I can't help myself because I felt that this needs to be addressed not as a YouTuber, but as a human being. I won't go into too much details with what's happening lately because I'm pretty sure everyone is across that and everyone has their own opinion on this. But what I do want to share is the impact this may cause to our daily lives just by running a YouTube channel. First and foremost, things are going to get more expensive. Your daily grocery, your food, your living costs, everything is going to get more expensive because when commodity goes up in pricing, everything else will follow after that. It is like a snowball effect. Now for you or me or anyone else watching this, it is time to plan ahead, especially financially. Let's talk in terms of running a YouTube channel. If you're a YouTuber who is just starting out, then my advice to you is do not go all in. If you have a full-time job at the moment, then stick with your full-time job and work on your YouTube channel as a side hustle. To start earning money on YouTube is difficult, and even if you do start earning money fast, the amount of money you earn is not going to be enough to support your lifestyle, at least at the very start. So do not rely on YouTube as your main source of income. Because even if you want to go all in because you have a substantial amount of savings, those savings is going to be depleted sooner than you think. You might think that you have enough to last you for a year, but with inflation at an all-time high, maybe it will only last you for about 6 months. So if you have a job, keep that job as your main source of income and protect yourself financially first. Now here's the next thing. Should you continue to run your YouTube channel given how everyone's focus is on recent events and how those events can impact their lives? It is a very difficult decision and it all depends on your niche and what you want to get out of your YouTube channel. I for one feel that because of all the negativity happening around the world, then that's the more reason I should continue to run my YouTube channel. The one good thing about living in the modern era is we are able to connect in a very easy way with everyone around the world. And when that happens, there are tons of things we can do from the comfort of our own home that allows us to contribute in some way to the world. We may not be innovators or entrepreneurs, but each individual is unique. Each individual has their own experiences and your knowledge becomes very valuable in some way. If we can contribute just a little bit of our wisdom regardless of our background, then I believe the future of this world is going to be a good one. Okay, after all that I've said, I do want to say that you should only continue to run your YouTube channel only if it allows you to. If you are too busy or too occupied with something much more important, then do what's important first. Unless of course your YouTube channel is also your main source of income. Because right now, all the news headlines are dominated by negativity. The next economic crash is coming, the pandemic, this person doesn't like that person. I get it, negative headlines gets you clicks, but it also brings down people's morale. So we need to elevate the situation and bring in more positivity. If your YouTube channel is in the entertainment niche, then continue to entertain people, continue to make people laugh, and continue to bring people together. If you're in a niche like mine in education or edutainment, then don't stop. Keep educating people even if it is just a little, because what you share is important no matter how small it is. It does not matter if you have authority or not, as long as you share your life experiences, what you learn, and what you can advise others to do better. That's good enough. No matter what it is, try not to let those recent events affect you. Sure, you might see a drop in views or subscribers, but that's okay because YouTube is a media platform, so it only makes sense for recent events to get most of those views. But again, and I can't stress this enough, make sure to protect yourself first financially. YouTube is great, but your family and your own well-being, that's greater, and nothing is more important than that. If you can find the time to run your YouTube channel, great. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure your subscriber will understand if you can't continue. And also, it depends on your goal and plans you have for your YouTube channel too. I have plans to grow my YouTube channel for sure. I want to make it happen and I want to achieve something in my channel. That's my personal goal, so I have a strong motivation to do it. And I'm sure you will have your own as well. You will have your own plan, you will have your own life. But if you're still able to contribute on YouTube, then I'm sure sure all of us viewers will appreciate the time and efforts you put in. I'm sure I will be very thankful for that because you make YouTube very fun. Alright guys, just wanted to send my message across in this short video. I hope you got my point. I hope that we can all stick together regardless of our background, and I hope that we are all not affected by the recent events just because some leaders of the world made some bad choices. That's it from me. I appreciate your time for watching this. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.